oh, it's the road boat. Oh.
That sounded like a bad oh.
I was like, what's wrong? Oh, yeah.
Looks about the same.
We back. We have Platinum Patch, an advanced exterior filler made for the elements.
Can you do it more in like a truck commercial voice?
Like Ford Tough. We got Platinum Patch. Advanced exterior filler made for the elements.
If you can't afford Platinum Patch, you've got a silver and a bronze. We're going from the most like manly place, Home Depot, to Joann Fabrics. Hey, do you guys have any upholstery? I'm sorry, I'm whispering. All right, upholstery. Should we ask? You guys hate asking because you're like manly man.
In Santa Maria, you don't ask questions.
I'll take this.
That's now forever gonna be in our lives. Because of that one act. Duck. Duck, goose. Duck. Duck. What if we just had a duck couch?
As long as it's not this weird mantis. My gut is saying blue. Couch could be where all our friends sit. People that we interview, we invite them back for an hour-long podcast. Green screen behind us. Have some space background just for no reason during the podcast. The blue couch. In the green room.
Sweet.
Okay, Grandma, we're gonna...
Nice having you here for a day. Hope
check
things
out-
go well.
Yeah, go check out the van when it's done.
Okay, I haven't been out there for a few days, so.
It's much different from the last time you saw it.
Oh, good. Everett was just saying that he was pleased
Mm-hmm.
that how things worked out.
Yeah, made some real progress this time.
Good. Devin, it's good to see you.
Always good to see you.
And you guys, good luck on your next shoot.
Next shoot, yeah, it's tomorrow.
Misadventure. Should be fun.
Yeah, we'll work on that.
Love you.
I love you too.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Stay well. See you next time.
Okay, I look forward to it.
All right, we're out of here.
Okay, guys.
Love you, Grandpa.
Okay, you too.
We leave it in your hands
Kevin,
again.
yeah, we'll do my best. We'll see if we can make it work this time. Have it all done.
It's incredible. I was telling Oliver, you know, I never had a grandpa, but I highly recommend them now.
Yeah, well, we'll hang around as long as we can. Okay, guys.
I appreciate it.
See you in about a week or so.
Sounds good.
Right.
See ya. You driving?
Yep. It's not the triumphant drive back with the RV, but it is the semi-triumphant drive back with the Mazda 2.
Two-wheel drive.
Oh yeah. Goodbye, Santa Maria. You've been a treasure.
I miss our autumn walks in the forest. I miss your smile through the limbs. I miss your warm kisses on the day October sky. I miss you driving me around, listening to some sweet music.
We ended up graduating.
Your hands on
We
mine.
worked all summer, both of us. But then all of a sudden one day, it struck me, I know, we could just get a little camping trailer and live in that. Then we went down, before it was time to leave, we went and bought a trailer for about, I think it was $500. And it was brand new. It was only 15 feet long. Love is something, if you give it away, you end up having more. I may have lost Joe, but my experience of her, I'll have forever. Thank you.
Even though you're forever on my little heart. I miss your loving soul and your glow in the dark. Even though you're forever on my heart. I miss your loving soul, your glow in the dark.
Alright. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
No, make eye contact when you do it. Cheers. Learned that in Spain. Alright. We've made it. The voyage is complete.
And yet it's just beginning.
Oh, don't it feel like it?
We have my grandparents on the back,
Yes,
and we couldn't have done this without them,
absolutely.
without both of them. My grandpa, for his technical knowledge, for his carpentry knowledge, his ability, almost his flow state in a way. And the biggest thing was he told me that there's nothing stopping you except fear. Without fear, you can do anything. So you have to overcome that fear to be who you really want to be and to do the things that you really want to do. And my grandma taught me to always be positive and always be optimistic. She literally showed me that there's no excuse to not be positive. I'm glad they're there, man. I'm glad that every time I pull up, park my car behind the RV, I get to see him right there. I get reminded of those two messages. That means a lot.
You know, Joe, listening to her retell old stories and what a companion she was for Everett and what a great mother she was for Barb. And I find that there is such a grace that comes when people are facing the big unknown. And I've never seen anybody crack. And Jo was as poised as she's ever been. I can't think of a better way to commemorate her life and say goodbye.
She's always with us. And now people will assume there's an elderly couple living in this RV.
That's the silver lining. I'm not gonna slash these tires. This is a sweet elderly couple
Who are a little narcissistic.
who painted a portrait of themselves. Either that or some kids who love their grandparents. If you have a goal in mind, there's always a way to get there. We had the goal of making videos for a living. So if you keep bumping your head against your material means, subscribe to this channel, because we're not just exploring minimalism. We're going to be exploring fitness. We're going to be exploring fashion. We're going to be exploring psychedelics. We're going to be exploring travel, meditation. It's just a big human experiment. This journey wouldn't be as meaningful without the ability to share what we've learned with you all. That's really what motivates us. And we hope that one day, this movement we're starting to spread the joy of friendship will be televised.
It'll be streamed.
It'll be streamed. It'll be available.
You could torrent it.
We'll see you all on the streets.